behind these windows and these walls from which I've grown, gazing at the emptiness below me. All my life I ponder as I hide in here alone, hungry for the life that I oversee. All my life I was used to going places, exploring them as they'd always be there. All my life I wonder how it feels to pass a day, not above them, but part of them. And out there, living in the sun, give me one day out there. All I ask is one to hold forever. Out there, while I recite my prayers of what I'd give, what I'd dare, just to live one day out there. Out there among the grass and trees and bright blue open sky. Through my barred window I can see it. Every day they shout and scold for me to stay inside, while I'm fighting just to be somewhere it's sunlit. If I was out there, I would treasure every instant out there. All I ask is when will we once more be out there, like ordinary men, freely walk about there, just one day, and then I swear I'll be content with my share. Won't resent, won't despair, good intent. All I care is I'll have spent.